Greeting everyone, this is Group 4. We have Yihan Feng, Chen Wang, Xiang Hu, and Yuye Li in our group. In 1984, a terrible toxic gas leak broke out at the UCIL's bottle plant, which killed thousands and harmed over 500,000 people. In this video, we will talk about the main issue leading to this leak and give our suggestion how can we UCIL prevent from this misfortune in future. We will give our recommendation in political and technology. There are 5 steps to do in the political part. For step 1 and step 2, create a professional specialized department and hire legal and political complaints experts. The workers can only finish the work quickly and safely when they have a specialized knowledge. UCIL should set up a political risk unit. They should deal with department onboarding, set up internal restructuring, and role design. Professional contract agreements and orientation will help executives ensure that the employees are professional on their work. What UCIL should do is set up a political risk unit, source external experts, and then operate them into the team. For step 3, UCIL should introduce a system to monitor regulatory changes. The company can use monitoring tools or government bulletins. They will identify new political or legal developments and build a real-time monitoring system for the UCL company.
Hello everyone, I'm Xiang. For step 4, develop a regular training program. The HR and the legend teams, together with department heads, will run quality training sessions. This would include workshops, e-learning, and policy solutions to keep staff updated on legend and political matters. The goal is to build awareness and ensure everyone stays involved in compliance. For step 5, develop a transparent reporting framework. To improve visibility, the legend and risk teams, along with executives, will create a clear reporting system. This will include compliance dashboard and regular reports shared between departments. It helps the whole organization stay on top of political requirements and avoid risks. And for step 6, political risk assessment, the risk team and management will carry out regular assessment of political risks. They will use risk materials and country scoring tools to understand our exposure. This allows the company to plan ahead and respond quickly to any changes in the political environment.
So let's say the second part of our recommendation, technology improvements. We believe UCIL must upgrade their technology to avoid another disaster. So we've designed a step-by-step plan. Let's go through step 1 to step 3. So first, we suggest UCIL should work with a certified automation company like Siemens India. The procurement team and senior managers should compare different vendors, review their certifications, and check what safety projects they have done before. This step is very important. We want a reliable partner to help design and install a modern gas leak detection system. Only after careful evaluation, they should sign a contract. This will make sure the system is built properly and meets safety standards. So once the vendor is hired, UCIL should focus on where to install the sensors. The engineering team and vendors technicians should inspect all the MIC storage and processing areas. They need to do an on-site safety audit and understand risks and layout. After that, they will create a clear plan that shows exactly where each sensor should go. This step is very important because if sensors are, placed in the wrong locations, they cannot detect gas leaks in time. So the third step is that UCIer should install different kinds of sensors, such as gas, temperature, and pressure sensors in high-risk areas. The automation technicians and site engineers will work together to do this. They must use approved tools and follow safety rules during the process. Once the sensors are installed, they should be linked to a central dashboard in the control room. They will allow the staff to see real-time data and act quickly if something goes wrong.
Hi, I'm Zora. I'd like to talk about the last three key steps we were taking to enhance our system safety: programming the emergency shutdown function, system testing and troubleshooting, and employee emergency response training. Let's start with step 4, programming the emergency shutdown function. At this stage, we connect the gas link alarm signal to the automatic valve closing system. The purpose of this is to ensure the system automatically isolates the gas resource as soon as a leak is detected. Our automation supplier worked with UCIL's IT and security department to complete this program. They created and tested logic scripts, simulated links, and verified response to ensure that the shutdown function was fast, accurate, and reliable. Next is step 5, system testing and troubleshooting. Once the programming was complete, we need to ensure that the system operates reliably under real-world conditions. Our energy quality team and safety officer conducted a series of tests under high pressure and verified all environmental conditions. During these steps, they verified the accuracy of sensors, reviewed data logs, and connected any system errors. This phase acted as a comprehensive diagnostic check, reconfirming that the system was operating excellent as intended. Finally, we come to step 6. No matter how advanced a system is, it is only as good as the people who use it. Therefore, the company organized a 2-week hands-on training sessions led by a professional training consultant and shop floor supervisor. The training includes live exercise, menu drills, Q&A sections, and performance evaluations. The goal of the training was to ensure that every one employee knew exactly what to do when the alarm went off, how to stay clean, follow emergency rules, and quickly secure the area. We have to come out with target situations. On one hand, building a team of professionals to deal with the legal and political challenge and ensure compliance. On the other hand, investing more in technological research and development, upgrading equipment, and real-time monitoring to prevent gas leakage. This change will keep people safe and prevent UCIL from making the same mistake again.